Welcome to Factful Fridays. In our last video, we covered the risks of improper parking. This time, we're talking about how poor vehicle maintenance can put your safety at risk. Improper maintenance activities like fuse tampering and manual joint in the wiring harness can cause short circuit and fire damage. Do not leave combustible material like fabric, paper, polybags inside engine room. These get ignited due to exhaust hot surface, which later can lead to fire. Discarded smoking materials can lead to fires. Dispose of cigarettes safely. While parking in an open area, avoid leaving items like aerosol, deodorant cans, power banks, mobile phones, laptops and lighters inside the cabin area for longer duration. Cars can get extremely hot, especially in the sun, which can cause explosion. That's a wrap. Follow our tips to keep fire trouble away and safety close at hand. Stay tuned for more tips to keep your car in top shape and ensure a safer drive.